Did you know you can make hamburgers in the air fryer? Let's see how simple these really are, shall we? We're only going to need a couple things. Alright, so today we're going to make these burger patties in the air fryer. We're going to need to preheat our air fryer for 400 degrees and set the timer for 7 minutes so it can get preheated. Once our air fryer is preheated, we'll take our burgers and set them inside here. And then let them cook. Check on them in half the time so that we can flip them. After 3.5 minutes, we will flip these over so that we can cook the other side, like so. After 7 minutes, this is how mine came out. We're going to let these rest. If you want cheese, you could put cheese on here and leave it in there for 1 minute, unplug it so that if your machine kicks back on, it doesn't blow the cheese off. Ta-da! Then you can add whatever condiments you want. This is how it came out with mustard on it after in the air fryer. The seasoning's got a kick to it, but it was seasoned at the store, so it's not bad. Got a nice little zing to it. If you could leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. And don't forget, subscribe. And happy eating.